Hi, I am going to tell you about the symbol systems theory, a theory developed by educational psychologist Gabriel Salomon. Salomon presented this theory back in the 70s, and he conducted his research mostly based upon the effects of films and television on the cognitive system. The symbol systems are the means used in a media to convey a message. They select, highlight, structure, and present information. They are the languages, the expressions through which a learner acquires new information. Examples of types of symbol systems are printed texts, pictures, numbers, graphs. Each media type follows specific sets of rules and conventions, and they require different levels of processing. Salomon's theory looks at the effects of media in relation to the learner's different types of cognitive processes that are required to master a specific set of skills. That is to say, the meaning extracted from a given media depends upon the learner. Salomon's theory is similar to other theories, such as Gardner's multiple intelligences, because they focus upon the differences and learning styles of students. They affirm that learning content and sequences and types of media should be tailored, taking into account these differences. According to Salomon, then, media should be provided, organized, and sequenced within this structure based upon the learner's background, knowledge, and skills required. Salomon argues that symbol systems can facilitate learning in three ways. I said at the beginning that Salomon presented this theory 4 decades ago. In his research, he chose a TV show, Sesame Street, to explore the symbol systems of television. That may seem outdated right now. However, the development of new technology extended the framework of Salomon's theory, and it gained new relevance when computer-afforded activities began to be considered. I think that nowadays we could add to the scope of this theory some new technologies that students are familiar with, such as netbooks, tablets, smartphones. These elements constitute new types of media with their own symbol systems that should be taken into account when preparing teaching activities, in the same way as teachers take into account the different learning styles. Teachers should profit from the fact that students are exposed to English language almost in a natural way, since they are in permanent contact with new technology and most devices use English as a predetermined language. This is the end of my presentation. Thanks. and thanks Gabi for recording me.